In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Shopify store to another account. We're going to move your store's design by exporting the theme from one Shopify account and importing it into another. This approach copies the layout, templates, and theme settings, but it doesn't move products, customers, or apps, so keep that in mind as we go. Start in the original store's Shopify Admin on the home dashboard. Make sure you're logged in with permission to manage themes. In the left sidebar, open Online Store to get to the Themes section. You'll see your current live theme at the top and any other themes in your library below it. Find the theme you want to copy. Next to that theme, open the three-dot More Actions menu. From there, choose Download Theme File. Shopify packages the theme into a zip file so it can be easily transferred. A prompt will appear asking to email the download link. Confirm by selecting Send Email. Shopify will send a secure link to the associated inbox. If you don't see it within a couple of minutes, check your spam or promotions folder. When it arrives, download the zip file to your computer and don't unzip it. Shopify needs the original zip for import. Now switch to the destination Shopify account where you want the design to live. In that admin, go back to Online Store and open Themes. Look for the option to import a theme into the theme library. Select Import Theme, then choose Upload Zip File. If you see an Add Theme button, you can use that and pick the Upload option there as well. Both paths get you to the same place. Click to upload, select the exact zip file you downloaded from your email, and start the import. The upload time depends on the theme size and your connection. Once it's done, the theme will appear in your theme library. You can preview it to confirm everything looks right, customize it to adjust settings for the new store's brand and content, and publish it when you're ready. If your original theme relied on custom fonts, third-party apps, or app blocks, install and configure those in the destination account so those sections render correctly. Also, if it's a paid theme, make sure its license allows use on the new store. A quick reminder, this process transfers your theme and many of its settings, but it won't bring over products, collections, pages, navigation, or files stored in the original account. Those are store data and need to be recreated or exported and imported separately. And that's it. You've successfully copied your Shopify store's design to another account by exporting the theme and importing it into the new store.